Hello, good morning, my dear friends. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Learn English Words Daily. Dear friends, before we go through the entire content of this video, I request you people to read the disclaimer completely till the end and then proceed further. Dear friends, I once again welcome you all to lesson 209 of today's video. In this lesson, let us try to learn some meaningful good health wishes. Dear friends, if somebody is not feeling well, definitely we try to convey good health wishes to them. Powerful and meaningful wishes result in positive vibrations. Vibrations mean energy which travels as waves. When we wish a person genuinely, it is believed that the wishes will bring positive results. There are multiple ways of expressing good health wishes by using very powerful English words. 20 very meaningful good health wishes have been listed here, which you can use and convey good health wishes whenever the situation requires. Please note, there are not only 20 meaningful good health wishes. There can be a plenty which you can keep on adding to the list. Dear friends, watch the video to learn all those 20 good wishes thoroughly. My dear friends, if you feel the content provided in this video as very much important to you, please give a like to this video. Also, share your comments and suggestions in the description box. Your comments and suggestions are highly valuable for me because they will going to help me to improve the content of this channel in a much better way going forward. Please share this video with your friends and relatives who are very much interested to learn English in a different way. Dear friends, 20 very powerful good health wishes have been listed here. You can make a note of all these and use them whenever the situation arises. First one, wishing you radiant health and renewed strength with every new day. Second wish, may vitality flow through your life like an endless, refreshing stream. Sending heartfelt wishes for a future filled with robust health and serenity. May your days be graced with energy, resilience, and lasting well-being. Dear friends, some of the powerful words which you can see here are radiant, renewed strength, vitality, robust health, serenity, resilience, well-being, so on and so forth. Dear friends, now let us proceed further and try to learn the next 4 highly powerful good health wishes. Dear friends, here is the list of next 4 very powerful good health wishes. Fifth one, wishing you a harmonious blend of peace, strength, and perfect health. Sixth one, may good health wrap around you like a gentle, protective embrace. Seventh one, sending warm thoughts for your continued wellness and inner calm. Eighth one, may each sunrise bring you greater vitality and brighter days ahead. Dear friends, the powerful words which you can see here are harmonious, peace, strength, embrace, wellness, brighter, so on and so forth. Now, let us proceed further and try to learn the next 4 very powerful good health wishes. Dear friends, here is the list of next 4 good health wishes. Ninth one, wishing you a life where health, happiness, and hope walk beside you always. 10th one, may your body be strong, your mind at ease, and your spirit at peace. 11th one, wishing you health, that shines as brightly as your spirit. 12th one, may your journey be filled with wellness, balance, and unwavering strength. Dear friends, let's proceed further and try to learn the next 4 good health wishes. Dear friends, here is another list of 4 good health wishes. 13th one, sending blessings of resilience, healing, and lifelong well-being. 14th, may every moment ahead be touched with health, comfort, and joy. 15th one, wishing you steady progress toward complete and glowing health. 16th one, may wellness surround you today and support you in every step forward. Dear friends, again you will find very powerful words like resilience, healing, well-being, comfort, glowing health, so on and so forth. Now let's proceed further and try to learn the remaining 4 good health wishes. Dear friends, out of the 20 good health wishes listed, here we have got the last 4 good health wishes. 17th one, wishing you a calm heart, a clear mind, and a healthy body. 18th one, may good health be your constant companion through all seasons. 19th one, sending you wishes for strength that grows and well-being that endures. 20th one, may your days be filled with gentle healing and vibrant health. Dear friends, today you have learnt 20 very powerful good health wishes. Definitely now you are in a confident position to use any of these sentences very confidently whenever the situation requires them. Dear friends, today you have learnt 20 meaningful good health wishes. With these 20 meaningful good health wishes, I am very much sure you have gained complete confidence to use any of these wishes going forward. Dear friends, the list is not complete. You can keep on adding to this list. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you very soon with another list of wishes on this channel. Learn English words daily. Till then, take care.